Welcome to Angela's Funtime show. Today she'll be opening her Real Littles.
Yes, our Real Littles. So today we are going to be opening this Real Little. So first we're going to go for smallest to tallest. So we are going to be opening this. So it's actually pretty cool. And we got this ice cream thing. Wait, what? Did we get a twin? We got a twin from this. We got this. This is normal. This is normal. They're normal. So we found her on our list, so we will pick her out. Okay. I actually like these purple bags. You can't really see the character inside. Where's the hole? Oh, wait, this is different? What? Oh, this is different. This is different. It has cherries and this has chocolate. So we got this cool little thingy. It's so cute. I really like this. He's cute. We'll put her back inside her container. And if you don't know what the container looks like, it looks like this. So we will be closing this yummy dessert. Okay, so we are gonna be opening this one. A lot of thoughts one. I thought actually it was a twin, so what is this? A rocket or something? Oh! We got popcorn. Cool. We got this kind of popcorn. So yummy. Little popcorn things, and then you have these, and then you can put your little popcorn in there. It's so cute. We'll close that. There. Now we'll put our Shopkins in. Same. Oh. It might be that. No way. If this is a twin in my collection. Oh! Oh my! Oh, this is so cute. Usually I only have these. This is so cute. I can show you guys. Look. There's this kind of rocket, there's this kind of rocket, and then there's like this kind of. I wanted to collect these. These are like hard to collect. I think so. Yeah, look. It's hard to collect. Yeah, it's green. Yeah, it's like green. I like this one. It's green. I never had this before. It's so cute. The only thing I need is this one, and then I'm done on that aisle. So that's actually pretty cool. So let's start opening it, and we'll start putting that back. Beautiful. So we will be opening this rocket kind of thing. I wonder what it looks like. I'm so excited. Okay. One bunch and something makes me happy. Oh. So cute! I love this! This is so yummy. I love this. This is my favorite one of all. This is so cute. I really like this. It shocks me when it makes me so happy. It makes me so happy. Is this a twin? I don't know if it's a twin, but it looks like a twin to me. So let's see this. Okay, where is it? Oh, no! Why do we always get twins? Oh, where's the lid? Oh, is that a twin? Please don't make me have a twin. Please make sure it's not a. Make sure it's a family. Make sure it's a family. No. Oh, it's actually pretty squishy. It's cute. I actually like it as a double because it's a kind of squishy. It's like a squishy kind of Shopkin. It's a squishy kind of Shopkin. So cute. I actually really like that. Okay, we'll put that over there. Just stuff inside the box. But we have more and more. We have our little book, so we will be opening this. Okay, where is? How do we open this? Oh, you have to tell me. And the same thing. Wait a minute. Did they prank us? This is a little bit more squishy than the other one. Squishy. So that's actually my favorite one. But while we are doing that, we will have to get our cookie crackers. Why a cookie cracker? So our cookie cracker is gonna go in our cookie container. Cookie container is so yummy. I love cookie containers. Do you love cookie containers? I love cookies. I like to sneak cookies every day. Okay, I put our cookie thing in there. So we're gonna take out this little fiery thing. This kind of looks like a blob of fire. Blob of fire. Why is there fire in top of my tomato juice? Is this tomato juice? Because I think it's tomato juice. That is how you do this. But let's open this. It's empty, really? It's empty? Oh, it's there. It's right there. Why does it have to surprise me every time? Now we have this cool little scooper. It matches the front, of course. And we should put this beautiful thing inside his cover. Now we have our thing. It's a sandwich. I don't know if it's a sandwich, but it just looks like these. So we'll put that inside, and he's gonna sleep a nap because he's gonna sleep in there for a long time. So just stay over there. Sleep. Okay, I just have to say them to sleep. Okay, the shoes are still awake, so we will have to say goodnight to the shoes too. We'll put the shoes inside. Macaroni cheese. It's empty. What? What is this macaroni cheese? What? What? No way! No way. Wait. Macaroni. We might get this macaroni thing. It's so cool. I really like that. Okay, we will be opening soon. But why am I being so happy? Let me go to here and put these both inside. Do they look the same? They do. Macaroni! Macaroni. I love macaroni. This is the best one I ever got. Let's put our macaroni inside. Bye guys. Hope you have a nice day.